Hi, I'm so excited to tell you about this ultrasonic retainer cleaner that uses ultrasonic waves to get rid of the grime. I received this as a gift so that I could try it out and show you how it works. And so let's use it. Okay, I've got it plugged in and ready to go. It's got water in it. Don't go over the max line. And I just want to show you what the water is doing with the ultrasonic waves. It's creating those bubbles. You could do 5 minutes, 8 minutes, or 10 minutes. Now you can see my aligners are very cloudy and kind of gross looking. Put them in the water, and you do want to make sure they're submerged, so arrange them so they're submerged in the water. And then I'm going to do 10 minutes. You could do 5 minutes, 8 minutes. I'm going to do 10 minutes. You can see the blue light on the inside. That's also helping. 10 minutes have gone by, and now we see, look how clean they are. They're not cloudy at all. Look, you can see right through them. So clean. Now this is the embarrassing part. I actually brush my aligners every night, but look at that. Look at the grossness. I'm so embarrassed. But just goes to show you how well this works. Highly recommend it.